Hello students, today's daily video is on inequalities. Let's do a quick review of inequality graphing rules. Let's start by reviewing our symbols. If you use less than or greater than, remember that you're going to have an open circle on your number line because the number is not included. If you use less than and equal to or greater than or equal to, you will use a closed or filled in circle because the number is included. Remember when drawing your arrows, if x is less than, go to the left. If x is greater than, go to the right. Don't forget that if you divide by a negative, you must switch the sign. Inequalities act like equations, but instead of an equal sign, it has an inequality symbol like less than, greater than, or equal to, or less than or equal to. Remember that inequalities have many solutions, not just one solution. Let's start by looking at a basic example. We're going to take a look at number 1. So number 1 is already solved for us. X is less than 5. So if I make this my number line, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll go back and put my negative signs, okay? So x is less than 5. So I'm going to put my circle above 5. It's less than, so I go to the left, put my arrow, and then since it's only less than, not less than or equal to, I'm going to leave that circle open. In contrast, if I look at number 2 here, x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So again, I'm going to label my number line. Okay, so this one is above negative 2. It is greater than or equal to, so I'm going to fill that circle in. And then again, it's greater than goes to the right. Okay, I like to think about it like positives and negatives. Okay, when we think about graphing, we go up and to the left when it's a negative slope, so negative, less than. We go up and to the right if it is positive slope, so positive, greater than. I just kind of associate those things together. All right, let's look at some additional examples here. I'm going to go to the next page. All right, so these are two-step inequalities. So we're going to solve just like we do a regular equation. So 3x plus 8 is greater than or equal to 17. So I'm going to start by trying to isolate my x. I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. That gives me 3x is greater than or equal to 17 minus 8 is 9. Divide both sides by 3, and I get x is greater than or equal to 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, I'll erase my work here so I can graph. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get my negatives going. So I need to go to positive 3 and put a closed circle because it's or equal to, and it's greater than, so it goes this way. So that's telling me that I could plug in 3 or any number above 3, and it would make my solution make sense. For example, 3 times 3 plus 8. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is greater than or equal to 17. If I plugged in 6, 3 times 6 is 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 is greater than 17. All right, let's go forward one more and let's work on one with a few more steps. Okay, so let's look at number 5 over here. 2x plus 4 is less than or equal to 24 plus 7x. So in this case, we have x on both sides of the inequality symbol, so we need to move one of them. So I'm going to move 2x by subtracting 2x on both sides because it's positive. So that's going to leave me with 4 is less than or equal to 24 plus 7x minus 2x is 5x. Now I can subtract 24 on both sides. I have 5x left here. 4 minus a 24 is going to give me negative 20. Divide by 5. And I get negative 4 is less than or equal to x, okay, which I can reread as x is greater than or equal to negative 4. So again, I'll erase my work up here. Go back to my pen. So negative 4 is less than or equal to x, or x is greater than or equal to negative 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. I'm going to go over to negative 4, put my closed circle because it's or equal to, okay, and then it's x is greater than, so I need to go to the right. For today's daily video assignment, I am going to assign the problems listed. So if you pause your screen, you have, they're listed 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, for multi-step inequalities. So you can go ahead and work on these, and then you can take a picture and send it to me via Remind, or you can take a picture and email it to me, and I will add these to my list of students who are completing assignments for their quarter 3 grades. Have a great day.